Oliver's Library Adventure. Oliver loved reading more than anything else. One rainy afternoon, he went to the library, hoping to find a new adventure book. As he browsed, he stumbled upon an old book with a dusty cover. Curious, he opened it and discovered it was filled with strange drawings and maps. The librarian noticed Oliver's interest and told him it was a book of local legends. Fascinated, Oliver decided to borrow it. Over the next few days, he read about mysterious creatures and hidden treasures supposedly around his town. With a flashlight and notebook in hand, Oliver began exploring nearby parks and woods, using the maps in the book as his guide. Though he didn't find any real treasure, he discovered new places he had never noticed before. Oliver's library adventure taught him that stories could spark real-life adventures and that magic often hides in everyday places.